How to switch your Instagram account to business account. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Instagram. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon and tap on the three lines. Now scroll down to the bottom. Now tap on account type and tools. Now tap on switch to professional account and tap on continue. Now select your category and tap on done. You can select from creator to business. Now tap on next. Now tap on not now. Now tap on the crossbar at the top left corner. So by following this simple step, you can switch your Instagram account to professional account. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.